Keras contains ready-to-use deep learning models with or without pre-trained weights. Their sizes vary, from 14 to 549 megabytes. We will use tiniest model for our example. Its name is MobileNet version 2. Its input size is 224 by 224. Let's import MobileNet version 2 model to the project. You can assign a value to the number of classes variable manually. But assigning it from generator is more appropriate. That's it. We defined a MobileNet v2 model and it is ready to use for our dataset. There are some model parameters to be specified when we use a pre-trained model. Include top decides whether to use fully connected layers at the end of model. As you remember, a model has two parts broadly. Classification part is ignored when we set include top to false. What is the use of this? If you want to use a pre-trained model only for feature learning and want to implement custom classification part like SVM, random forest classifier etc., instead of a fully connected neural network. Pooling is optional pooling mode for feature extraction when include top is false. So we will set it to none. Classes is optional number of classes to classify images into. Only to be specified if include top is true, and if no, weights argument is specified. Finally, we will set weights variable to none, because we will not use pre-trained weights. Model.summary returns a basic introduction of model. It includes number of parameters, names of layers, etc. Import optimizers. Now add an optimizer. So, what is an optimizer? It basically increases performance of your model. There is a loss function which calculates how your model is far from making correct predictions. An optimizer updates your model in the manner that loss decreases. Compile model with loss function and defined optimizer. Finally, fit generator data to model. Training step size is calculated dividing count of images in whole trained dataset to batch size. One epoch is passing dataset backward and forward through the model once. If you get this error, install Pillow, which is an image processing library. Yet another error. This error is related to the version of Keras. Downgrade Keras to 2.2.0. When downgrading. First uninstall Keras, then install with proper version. Ready for training.